Let's go, Adam!
I had the Tiger bags, just fuck you.
You ran right there?
What? Yes, sir. Yeah, that's my favorite female of all time right there, dude.
Yeah, what is me? Damn, he's
I'm kidding, I love you. I love this kid. Let's go, Adam!
Where's Adam? Wait, how do you guys say your name?
Let's go, Steve Gocious.
Why you say it right? Wait, where do you go?
That's all you did that.